So what's this column?
So this is a 1964 to 66 Chevy pickup. This column is already sold, but we have more. Okay.
What was wrong with it?
This column had a broken tab, and we put new turn signal switch. We put new indicator lens, a new shift lever, shift knob, turn signal lever knob.
What? And this one's like a big square, you know?
Yeah, that's the firewall mounting bracket. And we put all new bearings. So, and we modified the shaft to end in 3/4 double D because the guy is going to use a different gearbox. So he needs to use an aftermarket shaft. So we shortened this column by 2.5 inches.
Okay.
Okay, that's why you see this tube here. It's really short. Usually it's about this long.
Okay.
And yeah, the guy, it's a little chubby, so he needs this to be shortened to be closer to the dash. And this column is already sold, but we can make more columns like this. We have maybe 2 or 3 more.
Okay. Cool. All right. So what was again? This is a
64
64
to 66 Chevy truck,
Okay.
GMC truck. I believe it can also fit a 63. 63 is supposed to be 1 year only, but the column will fit 63 to 66.
Okay. All right.